Let's get real. The job market isn't just changing, it's evolving without waiting for you. The World Economic Forum just released their 2025 Future of Jobs report, and the gaps are so big to ignore. Here are the four career gaps you should be racing to fill if you want to stay employable. Number one is AI and big data skills. Everyone is talking about AI, but very few actually know how to build, analyze, or apply it. Machine learning, data science, AI operations, etc. etc. Even if you are halfway good there, remember companies will fight over you. Number two, very important, is cybersecurity. Every company is now digital, which means every company is becoming more and more vulnerable. Cybersecurity isn't just for the tech nerds anymore. It's a very boardroom critical decision. And guess what? There is not enough talent in the market to fill the need. Number three is analytical plus creative thinking. Now, in a world of artificial intelligence, your brain, your creativity, and your problem solving, trust me, these are some of the very underappreciated skills. These are your competitive weapons. Companies don't just want execution anymore, they want people who can think differently, who can think creative and innovative. And number four is sustainability and green skills. Trust me, the green economy is just exploding and it's not slowing down. If you know how to link sustainability to real business outcomes, you are not just future proof, you are future essential.